If you have your hair in a ponytail right now, stop what you're doing, watch this tutorial and try it out. It is the absolute easiest ponytail hairstyle that instantly elevates your look, and you can wear it for every day or for going out. It's that simple, but it's that beautiful. Check it out. This ponytail hairstyle is very easy to do. I like to start with my hair slightly curled at the end if I want a bit of wave to it. You can also have your hair straight if you prefer that look. If you have fine hair like me, you might want to add a bit of a texture spray to give it a bit more hold before starting. To begin, gather the top half of your hair and put it in a ponytail. You'll want it to be a loose ponytail, but not too loose that it will fall out. I prefer using these clear elastic bands since they are easy to hide. However, any sort of thin hair tie will work just fine. Then you'll want to split the bottom half of the hair, not in the ponytail, into 2 equal sections. You don't need to clip the top up like I did. I just did that so you can see what I was doing. You'll then take the 2 sections on the bottom and bring them up over your first ponytail and make another ponytail. Again, using a thin elastic hairband is best. This is where the tricky part comes in. You want to take your thumb and forefinger and put them up through the bottom of the top ponytail. You'll then twist your fingers down to grab the ponytail on the bottom and pull it through the hole on the top ponytail. You may need to tighten the bottom ponytail a bit or loosen up the pulled through portion to hide your hair tie, but then you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Be sure to try it out and let me know what you think.